Hey guys, it's Mia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be working on a diamond painting that was sent to me by NewCraftDay. Diamond paintings are pretty popular right now, and they're similar to paint by number sets, except you're using different colored rhinestones instead of actual paint. I don't know a lot about diamond painting, so when NewCraftDay reached out to me, I figured this was a good opportunity to try something new. On NewCraftDay's website, you'll find a large selection of diamond paintings to choose from, not just in subject matter but also in size. The sizes of the paintings are listed in the title in centimeters, so if you're not used to centimeters, make sure you convert the centimeters to inches, and that way you'll know exactly what size you're getting. As I mentioned before, this painting is large, so I used the kitchen table as a workspace. The diamond painting came with 26 individual bags, each filled with different colored diamonds, also known as drills. I received 2 bags each for number 11 and 12, and it looks like there's more than enough of these diamonds, or drills, to complete the painting. I also received 3 basic toolkits. Each kit has a small green tray to hold the diamonds, a paint pen, and a small piece of red dotting cement, which appears to be wax. After I set up my workspace, I finally took the plastic protector off the canvas, and I was very pleased to see that the canvas was already sticky. Because the canvas is sticky, I recommend keeping that plastic covering to put back over the canvas to protect it from dust, fur, crumbs, and other debris. The instructions on how to get started are listed on the bottom of the canvas. The font is small and may be difficult for some people to read, but basically you match the bag number to the number on the legend here on the side, and each number on that legend has a corresponding letter. Then you place that specific colored diamond on the letter on the canvas. I was actually visiting my family at this time, so I brought my diamond painting along so we could work on it together. It was really fun, and we even talked about having future diamond painting parties. But anyway, as a newbie, there were a couple things I learned about diamond paintings. 1, make sure you get a size that's manageable. 2, don't pour all of your diamonds into the tray. You just want to pour in a little bit at a time. And another reason you don't want to pour all the diamonds in the tray is that it's a good way to lose them all, and they'll just end up all over the floor. I'm really enjoying diamond painting, and as a newbie, I like that my painting came with all the supplies needed to get started. With Christmas around the corner, NewCraftDay is having a Christmas sale from now until December 31st, and you can get a 12% discount when you use the code CHRISTMAS12. That's the end of the video, and thanks again to NewCraftDay for sending me this diamond painting. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you've tried diamond painting before. I'd like to hear about your experience. See you in the next video. Bye!